Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add volume in MetaTrader for software. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader for software and choose your currency. So for me, I choose it, the Euro SD. Okay. After that, go to Insert and click on Indicator, then choose Volume, this one. Click on it, choose the colors you want. So as you can see here, we have value up, it's green. You can change it if you want. And we have value down, it's red. Also, you can change it. And you can change the thickness, as you can see here. And we have here volume by tick. And we have real here. Okay, so I will keep it on tick and let's click on OK. And as you can see, volume has been added. So go and click on zoom. And as you can see, this is my volume indicator. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.